In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show total number of emails in Outlook. If you've ever wondered exactly how many messages sit in a specific folder, this quick method will reveal the total without running a report or changing complex settings. We'll use the built-in selection tools in Outlook so you can get an accurate count in seconds. Start on your Outlook dashboard, the main mail view where you can see your folders on the left, your message list in the middle, and the reading pane to the right. Give the page a moment to load fully so the toolbar and icons are available. This ensures the controls we need are visible and responsive. Next, move into the email section you want to measure. This could be your inbox, sent items, archive, or any custom folder you've created for projects or clients. Click the folder name to open it. You'll know you're in the right place when the message list updates to show only the emails for that section. If you're using a search or a filter, remember that Outlook will only count what's currently being shown, so the number you see will reflect that filtered view. Now look toward the top of the message list for the select icon. It's the small control that toggles selection mode for your emails. Click that select icon to enable selection. Then click the checkbox on the far left above the list of messages, the box that sits at the top of the column of checkbox, and this action selects every conversation currently displayed in the list and prompts Outlook to show you additional selection information. After you click that checkbox, Outlook will display a count that tells you how many emails are in this section. You'll typically see this total appear in a banner or status area near the top of the message list, confirming the exact number of messages contained in the folder you opened. That's your total ready to reference for space management, cleanup, or simple record keeping. If the number looks lower than expected, check whether a filter or search is active, or whether you're grouping messages by conversation, since grouping can change how items are displayed. When you're done, you can leave selection mode by unchecking the box or closing the selection banner. Your folder view will return to normal, and that's all it takes. By opening the folder you care about, clicking the select icon, and using the checkbox on the left, Outlook reveals the total number of emails in that section quickly and clearly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.